Julie Dillon painted a gorgeous picture of a woman in robes holding a star, aptly named Sun Shepherdess. The painting shows the warmth of the sun in colors not normally thought of as warm. Purples, violets, blues, and greens all embrace and are embraced by shades of yellow and gold. Her hands look warmer than the stars she's cradling. Her face, with a gentle and loving smile on it, is as warm and as inviting as the light she's covered in. She must be a goddess to hold such a bright star in her hands without it burning her. Mortals like me can barely touch a metaphorical star without all too real pain. No matter where I lived, even in a place saturated with light pollution, I could always see the edge of space. It was always there, the ever-present darkness, more constant than the moon or sun or people. I knew its vastness was there whether it was black or sickly pale purple, and it was comforting to know. Space was synonymous with night, but also was so much more comforting and simpler. Space was a sight out of a window when I was awake late at night. The only sight to see when I would regret not being able to sleep a few hours later. But space was always what I saw in those hours, over those years. You begin to wonder if the preoccupation with space that you have is based on the stories told about it. The stories are all similar, no matter how far back you look. Old stories talk about people in space as pictures, the constellations studied today. New stories talk about people in space on planets. But other people make it into space, metaphorically and literally. Not you. You were born too soon to explore space literally, and far too late to run through asteroid belts as a semi-mythical hero. You don't have the training or body to become an astronaut, and writing a fictional copy of yourself into space is frowned upon heavily. But the literal and metaphorical distance of space does not kill your wonder.